Take your seat, class. Please check all the things here. Thank you. Okay, class. So how was your day? Moving on, class. So, who among you can volunteer to say to me who are the absents on this day?
Sir, I'm glad to say, sir, that we have no absent in 8 John for today.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, come on. I think it's a miracle, class. And because of that, class, I want you to give yourself a big clap, okay? In my sign, class, okay? In 1, 2, 3.
Green!
Okay, so before we start our topic, class, let's have a short review regarding to our last discussion. But this time, class, we will have a short activity regarding our review. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, so I think you're ready, yes. Okay, class, so what we need to do is fill up these boxes with the letters found everywhere in this diagram, okay? So anyone? The only one. Only one word. Okay, how about the next word? Yes. Go, Latosa. Seems that it's so easy for you class to answer this question. Okay, our last word, yes. JJ.
Maricar. Maricar.
Okay, very good. Yes, it seems that you reviewed all our topic yesterday. Now, class, listen. You want to see some magic?
Yes!
Really?
Yes!
Okay, but before we do magic, I want to volunteer who can give me what type of diagram is this? Anyone? Same hand. Girl, where's you? Yes, very good. It is pictorial diagram. And pictorial diagram, class, is a kind of diagram that is one. Raise your hand if you want your opinion, class. Go.
Pictorial diagram is diagram to speakers or
Exactly. Pictorial diagram, class, is a type of diagram that we use symbols or the exact picture of the equipment or materials. Now, I want you to do the magic by transforming this into schematic diagram. And how can you do the magic test? Through these cards. Okay? Through these cards, class, you can do the magic. Anyone? Anyone? Volunteer. Who wants to be a magician? Go. Go. Go, Janice. Okay, very good. No, another one. One. Go. One, ace of them. Ace of spades. And the last one. Go.
Cool.
Just a simple, or in just a minute, you transfer this pictorial diagram into a schematic diagram.
Oh.
And that is what we do magic. Okay. Now, yes. Now, after reviewing our topic yesterday, let's move on to our topic today. Now, before we start our topic for this test, I wanted to first familiarize this word. Okay? So anyone who can read the first word, go. Okay, how about our second word? Go, Athena. Okay, and our last word.
Motivation.
Go.
Motivation?
Ay, oh, ang laki ko.
Hindi ko sinasabi ongoing.
Okay, class. This word that you say and this word were the word that we might encounter during our discussion. So I want you to familiarize each word and bear in mind, okay? Next, class. So, start your topic, class. Let's have a short activity. Again, but can read the direction. One. Sing it. Two. Okay, as simple as that. Answer each
Go.
question
Go.
carefully.
Go.
Now, our first question, yes. First question. Volunteer who can answer our first question. Say that again. Anyone? Yes. As much as possible, you can express your opinions. Okay. Bill. First, read the question and
Joke kasi sa ibang bansa. Hindi mo kilala. Parang one.
Joke
Sa
ba?
atin, one eh.
Joe?
I don't
Oo,
know.
Joe. Joe eh. May isang pangalan niya, Joe. Babae lalaki,
Okay,
Joe.
is it all? Okay, let's see it if it is all test. Go!
Oh, Joe.
Joe, bago.
Oo, Joe. Joe
Go.
sa same bansa. Siya 1 taon. Hindi na rin alam. Ano na ito pag
One, another answer. Sir, thank you for your good answer. Next. Just take this switch. Let's see if I can switch.
Yes, this is what
Wow, it is switch left. Next question. Next question, please. Okay.
Anong gamit niya dyan?
Next question.
2013, ma'am.
2013. Yan ang picture ng 2013.
Go.
3D.
3D.
Ang dami pong mas maganda. Maganda po pag 2013.
Parang ginawa na siya yun sa animation na yung
Hmm.
Sony Vegas.
Pero yung pictures, ma'am, yung parang linya-linya, inano niya lang, yung picture lang talaga yun. Binackground niya lang.
Go, Martin.
Sa custom animation.
Because using those three pictures, a 122 is our topic for this day. Using these three pictures. And for you to be able to guide
Pwede yung pang-classroom decor na tong ano.
Kasi
you can arrange this one class. Arrange this one class. Using these three pictures and using these words found in your board or in front of your board, yes, arrange this and try to guess our topic for this day.
controllers. Parallel switch.
Anyone?
Diba? Parallel
Volunteer.
switch. Kanina na sinabi niya na eh. Ano, two bulbs. Controlled by two parallel switch.
Bar parallel ba? Ano ba di parallel switch?
Ready for the answer. Arrange these words.
Switch. Capital letter yung bag. Yung D.
Anyone who can help you?
Nag-compliment din yung background niya dun sa amin.
Be able to make it work.
Saan?
single switch and a parallel circuit. Okay, so I think we get the answer to this. Hello, yes. So it seems that it's so very easy for you to guess our topic of this day, using these three words and using this jumbled word. Okay, now to be able to review our topic of this day, we have different construction of sentence but the same job. That is why I consider it. Our topic on this day class is two bulbs in a parallel circuit controlled by a single switch. When we say two bulbs controlled by a single switch or in a parallel circuit controlled by a single switch, we are using two bulbs or two loads that must serve as our resistor, and we have that is controlled or that is controlled by a parallel circuit, and we are using one switch to be able to control the flow of current inside a simple circuit connection. That is our topic on this day. Now, the question is, what is parallel circuit? Anyone who can read? Go.
Parallel circuit. This is a circuit in which lamps are connected across the line. The voltage across which flow to the parallel circuit is increasing. The advantage of using parallel circuit is that even if one of the lamps fails, the remaining lamps will stay.
Okay, so what is the advantage of using parallel circuit test? Go to those.
One bulb fails to work, the other one is
Very well said. Meaning to say, parallel circuit, even there are too many loads class, there are its own passageway or pathway. That is why even the another or the one load is broken, the another one load or resistor is still existing. And that is what we call parallel circuit. Okay, question about parallel circuit. Okay, now let's move on to the steps on how to connect two bulbs in a parallel circuit controlled by a single switch. Okay? Slide. First step, yes. First step is steps in connecting two bulbs in a parallel circuit controlled by a single switch.
Umalis na po, ma'am.
Our first step class is we must first locate
May ano po.
our two lines coming from our source.
Ay, umalis na po siya, ma'am.
Okay,
Yun, asikas.
and try to differentiate where is the line 1 and the line 2. But before we proceed to our practical test or to our practical demonstration, let's have a short plan regarding our topic on this day. When we say test or when we say diagram, it is like a blueprint. It is like a blueprint that was made by an architect. In which, without blueprint, a house that is complex to do is what? What happened?
Pag-usapan na lang sana namin yung present.
That is why we must first plan our steps. No, as but you can see this. We have schematic diagram in which we are using two loads consist of represented by a bulb that we have connected in a parallel circuit. When it is happen, it is controlled by a parallel circuit because it has its own what we call on this two-conductor test pathway, or this one is the lead. Okay, do you familiarize to those vocabulary words earlier? This one is the lead of our current from our source up to our load. Okay? So we use two bulbs controlled in a parallel circuit
Yung makakaya.
and controlled also by a switch in which we can turn off or on our current if we didn't use it. Okay? Now, to make it more easier class to understand or plan, I have something this is. It's something magic. We have something here. A wiring diagram. When we say wiring diagram, class, is a type of pictorial diagram that is more complex or more detailed than pictorial diagram. How it is more complex or how come it is more detailed than pictorial diagram? Because in wiring diagram, you can see the actual position of each wire, where it is connected and where it is lead. Okay? So as what our first step said, class, we must first differentiate where is the line 1 and the line 2 coming from our source, and where is our source in this diagram, class? Where is our source? Okay? Yes, this is what we call circuit breaker. Okay? So circuit breaker representing our source. These are the two lines coming from our circuit breaker, in which we can differentiate where is the line 1 and where is the line 2. This one that is white is our line 1, and this yellow one is our line 2.
Kami?
Okay, is it clear, class?
Saan, ma'am?
Now,
Dito, after na
our second step,
Siguro, ma'am. Di ko rin po alam.
Welcome. Sorry, class, we have encountering some technical difficulties. Wow. Okay. Step 2. Step 2, connect the line 2 to the first terminal of the bulb A as well as the first terminal of the bulb B. Where is the line 2? The yellow one. What is it? In our first step 2? Connect its lead. First terminal. When we say first terminal, class, this is usually pertaining to our first line. Okay? Our first line of our load or our bulb A, and connect it also into our bulb B. Now, sir, the question is, what is this? Is it designed? Is it also for design? No. Why, class? It's there because this line or this wire coming from this load is not enough to reach the part connection happening in here. Okay? That is why we are using extension wires. This one is what we call extension wires. And extension wires is used to extend the parts of wire to be able to connect the a kind of wire that is not accessible to reach another load. Okay? Is it clear for you guys? Yes. So our second step is done. Okay? Connect to the first terminal of our first bulb A and first terminal of our bulb B. How about our third step next? Step 3. Okay. Step 3, we need to connect the line 1 to the first terminal of the switch. And where is the first terminal of the switch? Everyone? See it? You didn't see where is the first terminal for the switch? Yes. Go. Describe where is the first terminal of our switch.
Sir Luban, pwede pa hawak mo na sandali.
Want to describe what it is? Okay. So this white line pass is our first terminal for switch, in which what we need to do is connect our line 1 to the first terminal of our okay. Next step. Okay, you can read our next step. Okay. Where is our second terminal of the switch? One. We can point it or diagram. Where is our second terminal? Go.
Dito na lang po na.
Terminal 1 is our second terminal of our switch. What we need to do is connect it into the second terminal of our bulb A and second terminal of our bulb B. And our last step is capacitor. Insert the plug in there for us to be able to make this two bulb light. Okay? Is it clear, class? Yes! Okay, for you to be able to understand the different step, I will be the one to demonstrate it. Are you ready, class? Yes! Since that you are ready. Are you ready, class? Yes! We are ready! Good. What is our first step? We must first locate our two lines coming from our source. Okay, so where is our source? Where are the two lines coming from the source? Please. That one, okay? Okay, so both leaves. Okay, so after locating these two lines, class, after locating these two lines, what we need to do is differentiate where is line 1 and line 2.
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Line 1, this is our line 2, I line 1,
Naglalaki
and
ng
this
mga
is
chan.
our line 2. Okay, I repeat, this is
Medyo
our line
kaya na kayo ng
1,
chan.
and this is our line
Sir, di ba
2. Next step, in this way. I want you to teach some techniques on how to make more wiring connection easier. First, what you need to do is put together these two lines that you will be able to connect and hold it using these two lines and put it together. You can easily twist it and you can easily already undergo into the what kind of lattice is this? What kind
Ay,
of
hindi pa naman si Andrew.
Yes,
Nagulat din ako.
Ratate splices. But yes, ratate splices is not the most so is it
Saan siya galing?
is the not is the
Ah, ay, kala ko naman nakaalis na.
not the most advisable one
Paalam yun eh. Sinabi yan ko eh.
splices that we must use.
Oo, kasi natin siya makakuha sa iyo eh.
Because we must Western Union class is more what? Is more tighter when we connect these two lines together. Then this than this rattail.
Namimiss mo na, sir?
But usually,
Namimiss mo na
this
po.
rattail is
Cellphone niyo po.
usually done to be able to make your connection faster and easier. Okay? Now, connect or first terminal into first terminal or second wall, and we must use an extension wire.
Automatic siya.
Use an extension
Na
wire
nag-save.
for it to be able to
Cut then save.
switch another good for connection.
Sit down.
And for you to be able to use your connected wire test, you can use this strategy or this technique. Okay? So the one that is more coarse like it is
Lagpas hopper na.
line that we are using.
Lagpas hopper.
Okay? And apply the strap tail connection. Okay. Now, after connecting these wire steps, we must do what? Use an electrical tape for us to be more safe. For us to be able, for us to make more safe.
Wait, kumatay sheet ka.
Kahit ka na.
You're sorry accepted.
Balik tayo. Your apology accepted.
You're sorry accepted.
Ako dyan.
Voila. We are done in our first. Okay. Now, how about our second step then? Can give me our second step. Connect the line 1 into
First terminal.
okay, first terminal of switch. Okay, put it together again. Use the back tape. Again, apply the electrical tape. Thickness, we you can see,
Handsomness.
after you apply electrical wave, okay, we need to say zero visibility of wire. Or open wire. Okay. Our guns are third step. In our fourth step class, and then this second terminal of our switch, in the second terminal of our bulb okay. Together with it like you've been done it before.
Why are you not buying bills?
Picture kayo, ma'am. Ma'am, picture. Picture. One. Sir, picture kayo. 1, 2, 3.
Now, after connecting the second terminal of today's wire switch,
Sama ka, ma'am? Ang lakas!
another terminal test, which is
Guys, what? How?
Okay, and our last step class is insert the plug into the outlet. But before we insert this one class, we must do insert something. Insert the destination or gates.
Tape.
Okay. Let's see. Your visibility of the sun. You must do
Very often.
Okay, class. One thing that I forgot, class, is before you insert the switch, be sure that it is working. How? You must do check the switch using our multi-tester. And before you use the multi-tester class, make sure that it is working.
Hi, sir.
You must first calibrate it. How to calibrate this one? Give this to pointed positive and try to observe what's happening on this one. So if this arrow switch EN, it means that this multi-tester is green. How about this switch test? Can we say this is working? We must group the first pointed object, pointed to what we call the gesture. And try to trace it for you. We can see, that this switch is working.
From here to here. So,
Now, try to get this switch. Okay, class. This wire
Doing great. Is it doing great?
and this wire inside the switch without twisting the screws beside. Okay? This will serve as their top. Okay? Now let's
Opo. Ako nauna eh.
Dali mo maghahapon.
Hapon? Ay!
Sabi niyo, sino ba yung nakakagandang MC?
Ay, ganun.
Maganda yung quality of voice.
Ay, thank you, sir.
So this is what we call
Magic.
okay, now, for us to be able to, or for me, to be able to know if you are learning in our discussion of this day, each two representative on each group test performing our steps on how to connect wiring using two bulbs controlled by a single switch. Okay? Anyone from the? Anyone? From the group one? Please stand up. Group one, ready? Group one.
Karate.
You can have one and one. You can have three members next. Go, class masters. Where are the representatives of group one? Raise your hand. Where are the representatives? Okay, how about the representative of group two? Yo, master. Okay, representative of group three. And representative of group boy and okay.
Nakakawit, Diyos ko, ang hirap ng trabaho natin.
Is it clear for you guys the direction? Yes. Okay, okay. What we need to do is perform the connection using the two bulbs that was controlled by a single switch. Okay? Now, group one. Group one. Okay, group one. Group two. This one. Three. This one and four. Next.
So you're staying here from 6 o'clock
By the way, these are your you can take one toolbox, wait, each toolbox that is complete tools that you may use in your Wi-Fi connection.
Kaya ka na ngayon sa...
Yes po.
Ikaw naman mag-video.
Target ko, sir, sa ano, kaya dito sa may
To wear
Tapos na kami. Actually, tapos na kami. Nawala nga yung level. Sa mga bata,
Sabi ko, gusto mo ko ng bata. Hindi mo siya
For those that are going for senior engagement class, who wanted to bring each group your index card to be able to assess your group mates order of performance. Index card, isn't it? Okay, so you can use one half crosswise. And write your group mates name.
How much do you owe me?
I want to remember.
Only one paper class introduce group representative for each group
How much do you owe me?
I think 1%.
Ay. Tayo naman tatlo.
Yung soap kukunin ko na lang sa Thursday ha? Deliver.
ay nakita tayo.
Ginawa na lang.
Patingin nga kami. Akong ano, zombie. Ang laki ang eye bags.
Okay, finish.
So, 988 plus the 30 pesos. Plus the company spend for the card.
Can you write it in
30 pesos. 30 pesos is
Ako,
and then 90 pesos is
ako bihim. Ako batasan. Ako bihim.
Close.
Para mga antok na ewan na.
Then we have zero visibility.
Wala. Binura ko.
Ulit. Lapit ka, compress.
Daya talaga yung cellphone. Mamaya na nga. May mga picture tayong apat. Yes, finally we're done. We're done with the demonstration.
And you gave me one project and one just before. And you gave me the one project and one before. And then you told me that you still have a main thing that's also was
Where are the papers of group 1 and 2?
I'll make it 25. So 25.
Ito naman.
Ang hirap talaga ng trabaho. Sabi mo kusang namamatay, napindot mo lang siguro kanina yun.
Save, nag-save na natin.
Putol. Tabi. Show. 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 Sabi ka siya. Makashow eh na.
Ano ko natabi?
Tabi niya. Tagal oh. Uupuan kita dyan. Wala ka bang tulong? Ay, Sir Pogi.
Wow!
Kino-compare niya tayo, ma'am.
Kamukha niya ako siya sa doon na November.
Who's that girl?
Ito na yung KIB.
What kind of song is that? I don't know what song is that. Is that a Korean song? What? A Tagalog song? Oh, really? Is it famous song? I mean a popular song? Huh? Oh, gangster. What? Is it for gangster?
See, when is the salary? But it is the only money. 700,000.
Ay na kaya si Barbie.
Tignan mo, nag-reply na? Wala.
Okay, so let's say, let's see your performance is. But before, I said your performance, I just want you to know or be familiar about how I will grade you. Okay? The goal in your grade. Next level.
Is that what?
To me, right?
3 points. And then 1 point.
Yes, I am.
I'm so on top. I wanna sleep.
Next.
Ba't yung mura mo yun?
Ako nag-wake up na eh.
Okay, test.
Ganda kaya niya. Napuputol siya every 25 minutes eh. Pangalawang 25 minutes na, so 50 minutes na. Opo. Tinetest na. Tinetest na nila, ma'am. Sabi nila mukha ka daw Angelina Jolie sa may makeup mo sa'yo. Dapat ganun yung bagay mo. Pagka nag-blush ka, pag ganito, pag ganon, hindi pa tayo. Pag ganon. Kasi anong angular na yung mukha mo, matulis na yung ano. Amazing! Isn't it amazing? Guwapo rin nila na yun. Maliwalas bagong puputi.
Bagong bupet, nakakagawa.
Oo, nakakagwapo. Totoo. Buti sinili na walang balbas eh.
Tanggal na, pero parang
Yung maninipis lang. Nakakakiliti kayo yun. Hanggang dito lang. Pero pinag-shave ko siya. Ayoko. Pinag-shave ko siya. Mukha kasi siyang bad boy pag may ganun eh. Pagka baby face siya. Wala.
What do you think, guys? The reason why it is not working?
Ayun kasi.
Is it because of the lab?
Hindi yung nag-face to face kayo gano'n. Para ka nag-apply ng bihas ako. Sandpaper.
Parang ka nag-scrub.
Ako ako nakikiliti ako pag may ganun siya eh.
Kuya ko, hindi ka nang sa akin.
Ang gaspang pa naman. Aray ko, ginawa akong kama nito. Aray! Huwag ganun. Mistake. Wag. Kuya, wag po. Wag po.
Kaya mo yung walang ano siya.
Ah, sige, wala.
Nga mahulaan. Seal. Tama. Pink. Last man. Last one. Sunod mo.
O yan o, nabasa mo ba yan? Dami yung text ni Jim.
Nakapag-reply na ako sa kanya.
Basta lang paalam na kayo. Paalam ka na kay Ma'am Amy na absent tayo sa Thursday, Friday.
Kaya na.
Ano ka ba? Parents consultation yun at saka ano, job expedition. Ano ba kayo? Sabi nyo sa kanya, naku, required tayo doon. Magsabi ka na kay Ma'am Sonia, ay kay Ma'am Christmas lights.
Sir, Christmas night.
It seems that there is a problem in wiring connections. That is why the flow of electricity or current is not constant. Not
Christmas night kasi.
No, yes.
New.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Having good
Senior.
wiring connection,
Meow.
skills of connecting wiring connections that
Are
is crucial when we say
crucial. Crucial.
It is important one for us to learn. Why? Because maybe we can use it for
Because.
everyday life.
Ay na, values integration na siya.
Living. Now the question is, what are the importance? Why? Aside from we are using it in everyday lives, what are the importance of having skills of connecting or making good wiring connection? I repeat, what are the importance of having skills of making wiring connections? Anyone? You?
Yo. Yo, bago.
You can be ready in case of emergencies for
Yo.
your
Yo. Yo.
circuit is broken.
Sige, isa pa.
You can fix it by your own.
Okay. One of the most important class is
Very well said, very well said.
knowledge of
Are you getting across?
wiring connections. Aside from
It's NG pala.
Getting it out. Ano? Ano?
Are you getting across?
Getting
Very well said.
Okay, so aside from
Okay,
having
class.
knowledge,
Okay.
we are enhancing
Very good.
workmanship class
Yeah.
as well as proper handling of tools while we are working. Okay? So question.
Clarification. Sobra siguro yung kinabahan mo.
Violent reaction.
Saka yung pants ko kasi.
Okay.
Laging
Now
extra.
class for your assignment.
Yung taba, si Benny.
Okay?
Ipit.
Is bring the following materials. Okay? Number 1. Stranded wire, size number 14.
It's really the wall.
Starting out.
Number 14.
Starting where?
Yes. Okay, next, termination flyers,
Proscon pa lang.
line cutting
Proscon.
flyers, and load-up flyers.
Go, sir. Okay now.
Bakit ikaw kinongrats, sir? Bakit ikaw kinongrats, sir?
Ang wires
Tingnan mo lang, Brad.
have one
Pa-project na, sir.
Bakit ikaw kinongrats?
That's enough. Okay? No flyers. You must bring it in. Okay? Question about our assignment for this day.
Dapat sir ko pala ginirated.
Okay? Okay, so I think that's all
Pa-project mo
for
ba
this
yan?
day. Goodbye, John.
Goodbye!